Hi friends, North here with Rocky Mountain Technical Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Malwarebytes Browser Guard. If you've recently attended one of our lectures on how to stay safe in cyberspace or phishing, vishing, and smishing, oh my, then you've heard us talk about Browser Guard. Now, what is Browser Guard? Well, Browser Guard is a tool that lives in your browser, whether it be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. And what it does is it keeps you safe against the oopsie click that could redirect you to a malicious site. It also helps prevent downloads of malicious content, and it lives in your browser 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is what we call a passive tool. It's always running and you don't have to pay attention to it. You don't have to update it. You don't have to take care of it. It is a very simple tool that gives you great benefits to help keep you safe when you're online. So let's get to it. There are 3 steps to installing Malwarebytes Browser Guard. Step 1, you're going to search for Malwarebytes Browser Guard. You're going to want to click on Malwarebytes Browser Guard Chrome Web Store. Once at the web store, simply click on Add to Chrome. A secondary window will pop up. All you have to do is add extension. That's going to start the download process. Once it's downloaded, it will automatically install. Once installed, a little window is going to pop up saying that Browser Guard has been successfully installed. Final step to installing is click on the puzzle piece in the upper right-hand corner. Click the push pin next to Malwarebytes Browser Guard. You'll see the little blue M pop up in your browser, and that is how you activate the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, the first thing I do is I uncheck the box and then click Let's Go. There's a short tutorial within the dashboard. You can click through it. We're not going to read it for now, but again, you can read it at your leisure. And then once you hit done, this is the dashboard for Malwarebytes. Now I'm going to show you quickly how to use it because it is important for you to understand how to turn it on and turn it off. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to CNN.com and we're going to click on the Malwarebytes extension in the upper right-hand corner. And this brings up the dashboard. What we can see here is what CNN is actually tracking. Here's the list of active trackers. To disable the ads and tracker blocker, you just click on the blue slider. It turns gray. That means it's off. To turn it back on, simply click it and it turns blue, indicating it's back on. My recommendation is you always want to keep malware and scam blocking turned on all the time. But do know that there are going to be some websites that don't like it when you have ad blockers turned on. So being able to turn them off quickly is really important to know. Bring up your Malwarebytes dashboard, click the ads, trackers, turn it off, and back on. There you go. And that, my friends, is how you install Malwarebytes Browser Guard. If you have follow-up questions or concerns about the Browser Guard, feel free to reach out to us at our website or email us. The link and email address are below. And if you'd like to stay up to date with the latest how-to videos that we publish, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to get those updates as soon as how-to videos are posted. My name is North with Rocky Mountain Technical Solutions. Thanks so much for watching today. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.